Alright, what up boys? What's going on? Back with another video. Hope you guys have a good Christmas and Happy New Year. Today's New Year's Eve, so we're gonna be working on that shit and getting this shit done. In this video, we're gonna be changing the taillights on my car. I got some new versions. I'll show you guys what they look like in a second, but they look sweet. I can't wait to see them on the car. We have some big things coming for this rear end. I hope you guys are excited as I am, but this shit's gonna be fucking sweet. Without talking much more, I think we're just gonna get straight into the video. So first, you guys are just gonna open your trunk, and then there's gonna be a panel right here. Take that off. It's just a couple clips, and then these are the 3 bolts for your taillights, and then this is the harness for it. There's just a tab right here that you guys just want to push down and pull out. These are going to be the 3 8mm holding in your actual taillight. I'd get a deep socket just for these two. And then it should just pop out like that. There we go. And now I'm just going to put in the new taillight. Should just slip in. All right. Yes, sir. Look at that, boys. We're gonna have to secure these 3 bolts back in place. So I'm just gonna hand tight. Then I'm just gonna go over with a ratchet and tighten them down. All right, boys, I finally got it in. I had to fuck with it a little bit to get some good fitment. Dude, this shit looks insane. Oh my God. Look at that shit. Dude, I cannot wait to see that on. Oh my God. I'm gonna show you guys how to set up the wiring harness now. So it's gonna be pretty simple. They're gonna give you a wiring harness like this right here. And then what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna plug the wiring harness into this box that they give you. All right, so you just wanna plug it in, and then they give you some 3M tape where you guys can stick it. I'm just gonna stick it on the inside of this liner down here. So then now we got that connected. So this side will plug into your regular harness that goes into your car. Then it's gonna leave you with this final wire right here. This wire you're just gonna wanna plug into the actual taillight itself. And you're basically combining both of these wire into one wire, and then this wire is going to plug into your actual taillight, and then it should be all set. Let's see how she works. Whoa, that looks absolutely insane. Holy shit. So now I'm going to show you guys how to get to this inner taillight right here. All right, boys, so the next thing you guys are going to need to do is take off these plastic tabs. There should be 4 of them at the top, and then there's going to be 4 of them at the bottom right here. So I'll just take a flat head and slightly pry it up while I get this under to pop it off. There's 2 more rivets right there and right there. Just going to get to the rest of these 4, and I'll show you guys what it looks like when I'm done. All right, so now I got all the rivets out, and now we're just going to be taking this trunk liner out. Going to be 1 bolt for this outer taillight. It's going to be located right here. It's going to be a 10mm. I'm going to get to that, and then I'll get back to you guys in a second. So I'd push in from the inside through that bolt, and then you should be able to get it out just like that. There's going to be that wire there that you're going to want to unclip. Other than that, it should be all good. Make sure you guys clip it in like it was clipped in when you take it out. Lip here that you have to fit in there, so make sure this side stays down, and then you'll screw in this side. That's the only thing I'd have to say about that. So I got this side all done, got the top done as well. I'm going to get started on the other side, just basically copy the process I did on the left side that you guys just watched me do, and then I'll get back to you guys when I'm done to show you the final product. All right, boys, we got it all fitted and installed. Holy shit, this shit looks good. I can't wait to show you guys what it looks like with the lights on, but it's actually insane. There's such a big difference. These look actually fucking insane. Let's take off the plastic. Ooh. Ooh. Some ASMR. But look at this shit. That looks so much better than before. Actually insane. So these are the smoked out LCI version of these taillights. We'll have a link for them in the description below. But this shit is just, oh. And then this is with the lights on. Just look at this shit. Oh my God. That actually just looks insane. The smoked with the black actually looks so good. Tommy's also here now. What up, Tommy? What you think? What you think? Give the review.
Nicer.
Bruh.
Nicer, thumbs up.
All right, this actually looks so insane. Like, I actually can't get over this. It's actually so insane. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. This is the brakes. That's reverse. And that's just regular. And then here are the hazards. Here are the blinkers. I forgot. Yeah, you guys can't hear it. Fuck. That actually looks insane, though. I actually can't get over that shit. Oh my God. Holy shit, dude. Like that actually looks so much better. All right, boys, I'll probably get some clips of the taillights just so you guys can see them on the road. But other than that, this video's done. I think me and Tommy might go get a car wash as well. That's all I got for you guys. Hope you guys enjoy. Let me know what you guys think of the taillights, what I should get next. Subscribe if you want more content. I'll have a bunch more content coming out this year. 2025 is gonna be crazy. Happy New Year. Happy fucking New Year. New Year's fucking Eve, boys. Let's get this shit. I appreciate every single one of you for liking and viewing this video. Like, you guys don't understand how much it means to me. Should have a video out next week, and I'll see you guys then. Peace out.